everyone, so welcome back to my channel again, Intelligent Learners. So in this video we will properly discuss about how to draw the positive rational numbers, positive fractions on number line. Okay, so let's start the video, and if you have any problem in this topic or any other topic, please comment in the comment box that ma'am, we want this topic in your videos. Okay, so let's start the video. So in this video, we will discuss about how to put fractions on number line, right? So there are many types of fractions. So let's discuss about the types of fraction. So first type of fraction is the proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is always smaller than the denominator. Please remember this thing. In proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator you will write above always, and denominator you will write down always. So when the upper number is less than the below number, so that fraction is called as proper fraction. Okay, now let's discuss about the another type of fraction, which is an improper fraction. So improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is always greater than the denominator. Okay, numerator is always greater than the denominator. And also please remember this thing, only improper fraction will get converted to mixed fraction. Only improper fraction will get converted to mixed fraction. So if I have to convert this fraction into the mixed fraction, so what I will do, I will write above number 13 inside the division symbol and the denominator outside the division symbol. So 4 is the divisor and 13 is the dividend. I will divide 13 by 4. So 4 times 3 is 12 and the leftover is 1. The remainder is 1. So how I will write it? So whatever is the quotient, I will write in between the remainder above and the divisor in the denominator part. So we can convert 13 over 4 into the mixed fraction. So we can write it as 13 whole 1 by 4. Okay, so this is the mixed fraction form of this improper fraction. Always remember that you can always convert improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Okay, you can't convert proper fraction into the mixed fraction. So now let's discuss how to put these numbers, put these fractions on the number line. So the first fraction you have is the proper fraction 3 over 4. Now what you have to do, remember this thing, whenever the numerator is less than the denominator, always remember the fraction will lie between 0 and 1. Whenever the fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator, that fraction will lie between 0 and 1. So when I will make a number line like this, so this is a number line, in between always there is a 0, and these numbers will always lie between 0 and 1. And also one very important thing, this is the positive fraction. Okay, this is the positive fraction, so that's why it will lie between 0 and 1. So here 0, here I'm writing 1. Now what I have to do, I'm changing the color. What I have to do after this, what is the denominator here? The denominator is 4. So I have to divide this part between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. So to divide it into 4 equal parts, what I will do, I will draw 3 lines which should be at the proper equal distances. Okay, these distances should be equal, always remember. So please draw a number line from the scale only, with the ruler. Okay, don't use your hand, just use a ruler to make a number line so that the distances between the parts should be equal, right? So how many parts we have to do? We have to do 4 parts. So whatever is the denominator, that much parts we have to do. So to do 4 equal parts, I have to make 3 small lines in between 0 and 1. Now this is 1 over 4, this is 2 over 4, and this is 3 over 4. It means this is the number which I have to show on the number lines, 3 over 4. Okay, so this is how we can draw proper fraction on number line. So let's take another example. Suppose I have to draw 8 over 9. So because I know it is a positive number, So it will lie, and numerator is less than the denominator. So it will lie between 0 and 1. Now, what is the denominator? The denominator is 9. So how many parts I have to do? The 9 parts I have to do between 0 and 1. So to do 9 parts, what I will do? I will make small 8 equal interval lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this distance is a little larger. So what I will do? I will just draw one here. Okay, this is 1. So now we have to draw 8 over 9. So this is 1 over 9, 2 over 9, 3 over 9, 4 over 9, 5 over 9, 6 over 9, 7 over 9, 8 over 9. So this is the number that I have to draw on number line. So this is the formation of 8 over 9 on the number line. Okay, now let's move towards the improper fraction. So what I have to do, I have to just draw improper fraction on the number line. So let's discuss about that. Just a second. So this is the improper fraction. First, whenever we have to draw improper fraction on number line, please remember this thing. I have to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction, okay, into a mixed fraction. So when I have converted this, in the starting only, I told you how to convert this into the improper mixed fraction. So again, I'm doing it. Please put the above number inside the division part, below number outside the division symbol, divide 13 by 4. So 13 times 3 is 12, because 30 times, sorry, not 13 times, 4 times 3 is 12, because 4 times 4 is 16, which is greater than 13. So we can't write that. So 4 times 3 is 12. So the remainder is 1. So what is the answer? 3 in between, whatever is the question that comes in between, then 1, the remainder on the above part, and the divisor in the below part. So 3 whole 1 over 4 is the mixed fraction form of this 13 over 4. Now what I have to do, I have to draw a number line. Okay, now between what numbers it will come, always remember, always see the below, always see the between part. The between part is 3. So because between part is 3, so this complete mixed fraction will lie between 3 and 4. Please see the middle part, the between number. The between number is 3. So this number will lie between 3 and 4, between 3 and 4. Now what you have to do, you have to do the same thing between 3 and 4. Now please see see this number, 1 over 4. Please see this number. Now because the denominator is 4, so how many parts I have to do? 4 parts. So to do 4 parts, I will draw how many lines? 3 lines to do 4 parts, like 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, and 4 part, right? So we'll start from 1 over 4. So this is 1 over 4. This is 2 over 4. 3 over 4 and 4 over 4 is 4 only. So this is 1 over 4. So this is the number. This is the number I have to draw. That is 3 whole 1 over 4, or you can say is 13 over 4. So this is the point where 13 over 4 lies. Okay. So like this, we can easily draw improper fraction. First convert it into the mixed fraction, then you will draw it. Okay. Let's take another example. Let's take another example. Suppose the number is 15 over 6. So what I have to do, I have to convert this into the mixed form. So when I will divide 15 by 6, so 6 times 3 is 18. So 6 times 2 is 12. And what is the remainder? 3. So the quotient is coming in between, remainder above and the divisor down. So 2 whole 3 over 6 is the mixed form of 15 over 6. Now what I have to do, I have to see the middle number. So middle number is 2 here. So this number will lie between 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Now, 3 over 6. What is the denominator? The denominator is 6. So I have to draw 6. I have to make 6 equal parts. So for doing the 6 equal parts, I will draw one less line. That is the 5 line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like this. So 1 over 6, 2 over 6, and 3 over 6. So 3 over 6 we have to do. 3 over 6. So to do 3 over 6, just a second. To do 3 over 6. So this is the number that lies on number line, which is 15 over 6. Okay, which is 15 over 6. So like this, we can easily draw fractions on number line, whether it is a proper fraction or it may be an improper fraction. Okay, so this is that. Thank you, everyone.